I use this trick every summer. The house smells wonderful and there are no flies or mosquitoes, all without spending a fortune. It works brilliantly. You need white candles, even ones that may have broken before, so you can put them to good use. Take a pot and fill it with water. Then place a bowl on top of the pot and put the prepared candles inside. Heat the pot until the candles melt. This method is called a water bath. Using the heat from the hot water in the pot, you can melt candles or even chocolate. While the water is heating up, prepare the lemons. Cut a lemon in half and scoop out the inside with a teaspoon. This is the easiest way. You'll also need small toothpicks to hold the wick in place inside the lemon halves. Attach the wick with the toothpick, then once the wax is melted, pour it into the lemon halves. Wait until the wax hardens and then remove the toothpick. Your beautiful candles are ready. Light them, and within seconds your home will be filled with a pleasant citrus fragrance. You can place these decorative candles on a table in the living room, on the terrace, or on the balcony. Enjoy summer evenings without mosquitoes and flies. Light up a mixture like this. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something completely different. Start by taking a small bowl. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large piece and wrap the entire bowl in foil, inside and out. Then pour in about 3 heaping tablespoons of coffee, preferably ground, and mix it. Now take some rosemary sprigs and cut them into smaller pieces. Do this directly into the bowl. Cover the rosemary again with coffee, just enough to partially bury it. Now grab a lighter and gently light the rosemary. Let the smoke rise from the burning rosemary, and the coffee should start to smolder slightly. The light smoke that appears is an incredibly effective repellent for mosquitoes and other insects. It acts as a natural deterrent. Wherever you place a bowl like this, you can be 100% sure that no mosquito will come near. Flies and mosquitoes will stay far away from your home thanks to this simple and effective method. If you're tired of those annoying bugs, try this natural solution. Start by preparing a glass. Fill it to the top with ground coffee. The type of coffee doesn't matter, but its aroma is key. Mosquitoes and other insects can't stand the smell of coffee, even though it's pleasant and relaxing for us. In the center of the coffee-filled glass, insert a wooden skewer. Remove it. Then take a candle wick, fold it in half, and place it in the glass. Trim the ends of the wick so it burns evenly when lit. Sprinkle a few cloves on top. Their scent also repels mosquitoes. Cloves are known to drive away ants, and even moths too. Finally, light the wick with a match, and you're done. Place the candle on a table or shelf. This natural method doesn't require any chemicals. Now you can enjoy peaceful evenings without annoying mosquitoes. Place it on a table and light it. This candle repels mosquitoes and flies, and you can make it yourself in just a few minutes. It's perfect for any indoor space. It looks nice, smells pleasant, and keeps insects away. All you need is an empty jar and a few ingredients. A jar with a lid works best, so you can easily close it and set it aside whenever you want. Slice up any citrus fruits you have. I'm using lemons and limes. The scent that citrus gives off repels mosquitoes. But not just mosquitoes. Citrus also drives away flies, gnats, and moths. And to us, it smells great. Your whole home will feel fresh and fragrant. Place the citrus slices into the jar. Add in a few sprigs of rosemary too. Rosemary enhances the effect of the citrus. Now fill the jar with water. Add a few drops of essential oil to it. Most essential oils also repel various insects. For mosquitoes, clove oil or lemongrass oil works best. Finally, place a floating candle on top and light it. This kind of jar makes a beautiful decoration. It spreads a pleasant scent throughout your home, a scent mosquitoes and other bugs can't stand. It's the perfect mosquito candle. You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take 2 smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try. Mosquitoes start disappearing within the first minute after placing this on your balcony. All you need is a small plate or dish. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda on it, about 3 tablespoons. Baking soda neutralizes odors and naturally absorbs moisture. Then cover it completely with ground coffee. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee you use. The strong smell is overwhelming for mosquitoes, so they stay away. Now grab some matches. Light one and place it directly on the coffee layer. Repeat with a few more, spaced apart. Don't worry if they go out. That's the point. The heat will make the coffee smolder gently, releasing a subtle smoke. This smoke works like a natural barrier, repelling not just mosquitoes but other annoying bugs too. You can place the dish anywhere you plan to relax in the evening. It's a cheap, simple, and completely natural solution that also smells surprisingly nice. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1 1/4 cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free.